Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Now we have to go back, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, find the language, tap on it, wait, make sure that it is marked, go back, and as you can see, the language has been changed successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.